Yes.
Now what? So the title of this DOW is called Gas Can. And I start with an empty soda can. And I'm going to add, it doesn't really matter, 2 or 3 or 4 cc's of water. Now this takes a couple of minutes. And I'm going to set it on this hot plate. In fact, I'm just going to pump in a little bit more water. Now, while this is doing its thing, and it has to reach just the right time, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do before I do it. So when the can is ready, I'm going to take the tongs, I'm going to grab the can, and I'm going to invert it upside down into a bucket of ice water.
Is that on? Is it go on?
Yeah, we're on, right. And again, my apologies, but this takes, this takes a minute or so to reach the magic time.
Are you putting the whole can in, or you're just spilling the contents in?
I will invert the can and submerge it ever so slightly, maybe a quarter of the way.
What is that called? That's on the
Hot plate.
Thank you.
Hot plate, soda can, bucket of ice water.
Steve and I use those to make auger.
And what you're going
Good
to use
times.
to turn it upside
Tongs.
down? Tongs.
Is that regular water or distilled water?
Good question, young man. It is just regular water.
Does it make a difference if you use a Coke Zero or
No, because it's empty.
Nothing is particularly unique. The water is not particularly unique. The can is not particularly unique, and I haven't modified the can. The can is just a regular.
Was it
What's
rinsed
the
out?
ice to water ratio in the bucket?
The water to ice ratio does not.
Is that a
matter,
joke?
but it's a good question, Robin.
You have a lot of Coke
Was the
Zero.
can rinsed out before?
I'm sorry.
Was it rinsed out before?
It probably was not rinsed out.
Oh, there's still Coke Zero in it.
Oh my gosh, it's contaminated.
Okay, things are. I'm closer to the can, so I can see what's going on. Things
Why
are.
do soda cans explode if you freeze them?
Is that
Because
what's gonna
it
happen?
expands because it's water.
Sneak peek.
Okay.
What's going to happen?
Now the key is you can actually do this at home. If you have a ceramic cooktop, or you could do this with a pan, fry pan, etc. You could put the can right into the fry pan. I can hear it starting to boil.
We take predictions of what's going to happen.
There's steam.
I'll take yours, Nicole. Nicole has a prediction. Go, Nicole.
Either the Coke can is going to be deformed or there's going to be steam. I don't know. Like when you put it in the water.
Okay.
Cold
What's
water.
what's
putting
going to
the whole
happen to
can
the
in?
can before you put it in?
Nothing.
But you're putting
Like
the
it's
whole
going to
can
be
in.
steam before you put it in?
It's gonna melt.
I think the can is going to crush.
Something's going to happen where it's deformed.
What was the title?
Gas can. There's going to be steam.
It
Oh
is.
my god, the bucket's gonna explode.
Gas can. Was that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh, change
can's
that.
gonna extinct.
Can crush.
Oh, well.
I really like speech
Can's
better.
gonna crush.
Is that what it's called?
Can crush, yeah. I do have a gas can. That's another.
Wait, so you're not pouring the water out. You're taking the can and just dumping it
He's
in.
inverting the can into the bucket.
But only a quarter of the way submerged.
Yeah, whatever.
And it doesn't even make a quarter of the way.
Because it crushes.
Well, we'll have to see.
It's going to be deformed.
Well,
Done.
I mean, the title, now that you changed the title, it kind of gave it away.
Well,
Watch, it's not ready.
yeah, it's pretty ready. Johnny, do you see anything roaring out of the can?
Yes, Steve.
Kind of hard to see.
I see it.
Okay, here we go. Now, I can only do this once.
Can I come closer to the bucket?
Guys, don't block the bucket. I'm not getting up. Okay? Really, keep up.
Oh my god, I can get steam from here. It's hot.
Wait, short people can't see.
Please don't block the bucket.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh my lord, poo-poo. That was so cool.
So there it is.
Whoa, that's awesome.
That's awesome.